In a world where standard approaches and infrastructure required to perform fluid sample analysis can be slow and complex, ACCELLIX offers an easy, push-button assay delivery platform that fits on a benchtop and provides actionable, multi-parametric results in a matter of minutes. 20 microliters of sample is pipetted into the sample injection port, where it incubates to allow the molecular interactions necessary for the assay to take place. From there, the ACCELLIX system takes over. First, blister A is broken, flushing the sample into the front mixing chamber, along with the diluent. The remaining 2 blisters can also be used, depending on the assay being performed, and their diluents can offer up to 4 possible dilution ratios, to account for cell concentrations from 10 to 10,000 per microliter. The sample is pushed and pulled between the mixing chambers until homogeneous. And finally, the sample is drawn through the reading channel, where cells are illuminated one by the laser. Forward scatter and 9 fluorescent channels are collected every 10 microseconds, yielding over a gigabyte of data, which is then processed into an easy-to-read report. ACCELLIX technology allows for extensive customization, enabling us to migrate your assay from labor-intensive laboratory procedures to a consistent, automated benchtop system. ACCELLIX places multi-parametric analysis with unparalleled simplicity and speed right where you need it.